Hey everyone, Coach K, Profit Coach here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make $30 to $50 every single month or more just by participating on an easy to use online social platform that talks about a great project. See you guys in a second. Hey everyone, welcome back. So I want to tell you guys how I've been earning tokens, Ferrum tokens, which are transmittable to cash, about $40 to $50 every single month, just by participating in a social online platform, which you're going to post information, you're going to create some cool videos, you're going to, do a review here and there. It's very, very easy to do, and you get to be part of a great community of really nice people. I'm also going to show you proof of the amount of tokens that I've earned from doing this and how much I actually had to put in, which is not very much. And you can actually just start, like it shows here, with an ERC20 address. So if you have MetaMask, you can create a MetaMask wallet, go on to BitMax Exchange, buy 5,000 Ferrum tokens, which is not that much. And this is not telling you to do it. It's only if you want to. And you get started. You validate your wallet and you get started. You can get points for lots of different things, and I'll show you how to do that. You can read all this when you go on to community.ferrum.network. Okay, so let's look at how this all works. So first things first, you want to earn money. You want to do it in an easy way. You don't want to spend a ton of time doing it, but you want to be part of a great project. This is what I'm going to show you guys to do right now. Here's how we do it. So just like Reddit and other programs, you can create content, whether it be a video, a review, a tweet, messaging people or commenting on people's stuff on Reddit. You can earn tokens for doing that, but it's through an algorithmic system that takes in consideration how many people follow you, how many points have you earned, what's your reputation, what's your influence on the community, how much reputation have you given out, have you communicated with people via their chat boxes. And those types of things are all looked at, as well as you holding those 5,000 tokens in a wallet, which you can take out at any point. But this is what qualifies you for the distribution, okay? So you go and you see different people's tweets, you see different people's posts, you can upvote them, you can downvote them. But if you downvote them, they want to know, why did you downvote them? Like, is it for a reason, or are you just being mean? So this is a really cool way that they can regulate these all of this as well, okay? Now, you can submit an activity quite easily by just going on here. You make a meme, you can post it. If you have an activity type, you post it, etc. So it's not very hard. If you go on Twitter and you have a link, you can post the link right here. It will make a nice activity cover image, and you can write about the activity, whatever it is, whether it be trading related, TA related, anything you can do, whether it be a video, up to you, really. Okay. So you can go and then look at my activities just to give you a quick overview of how much I've put in. So I put in, there's 22 entries since I started. Okay. So 22 activities I've entered, and I've upvoted and downvoted, not very much downvoted, but uploaded a lot of posts over the course of this time. And you can see that there's been like over 5,000 posts since it started, which isn't crazy. So I've only done 22 of those. Right now, task-wise, they give you some things the team will ask you to do, like follow this Twitter account, which is their unifier wallet is their own wallet. So they ask you, hey, come follow. We'll send you updates on our wallet, which is a really cool wallet. We'll get in that another time, or do a review, which you can then post as a submitted activity. You then get a ranking based off of all the stuff that you submit, based off of your influence, based off of your reputation, your points. All that stuff gets put into perspective. And then what they do is they take all those things that happened, as well as you make sure you're holding those 5,000 Ferrum tokens, and they give you distributions every 2 weeks. So how have I made money, and how much have I made? Well, I'm going to show you guys two things right now. First thing is my rewards. So I have earned 43,287 tokens. You can see them and the current value when they were given to me. So some months I made $80, some months I made $50, some months I made $40. That's okay. And you can see that sometimes I get more and sometimes I get less based off how active I am. So basically, if you're active in the community, you get more. And this like 22 posts, right? So 22 posts and upvoting and going on for like a couple minutes a day, 5 minutes a day, and then sometimes making content like this will get you money every single day. So I want to make $40 a day, a month or more. This is a really easy way to do it. This is why I think it's great and why I'm making a video about it. Now, proof. Here is all my transactions that I've had. Okay, even until 12 days ago. These are all the distributions they've given me. You look here, you can see all the same distributions right there, right here. Okay, so they're all the same. What have I started with? Well, if you look at my ins versus my outs, I started with 67,000 tokens. 67,000 tokens. And doing this, now I have almost double, almost 110. I had 109,000 and change. So just under 67,000 tokens is what I started with. And then I went up to 109,000 tokens. So I will probably, within 6-7 months, double up what I had inside of my token holding. Okay. So, and all I'm doing is just participating in all the stuff I just showed you, make a video, post a review, all these things. And you get your work index and you get paid in tokens every single 2 weeks. That's all you got to do. So if you want to make money easily online, this is a great way to do it. And if you're asking, well, how do I get tokens? You go onto an exchange called BitMax and you go on there and you buy some tokens if you want to. Remember, I'm not endorsing you to do this. I'm not telling you buy it for any other reason than if you want to participate in this, you have to have 5,000 tokens as it shows right here. In order to participate, you need that. Other than that, that's all you got to do. And if you look at the technical analysis, it's been on an uptrend for quite some time. So these are things that you want to take in consideration. Okay, that was my quick video on how do you make money online by participating in social mining. There are other projects that do this, but this is all about Ferrum Network right now. So if you want to get involved, make $40, $50, $100 a month just by participating, get involved. Don't what are you waiting for? I like making money, so should you. Profit Coach. See you guys later. Have a great day.